Welcome back to Edu Talks, the podcast where we talk about learning, teaching, and everything in between. I'm Lovely, your host for today, and I'm super excited because we'll be talking about something that matters to every student and teacher, fostering a spirit of learning among today's students. And of course, I'm not alone today. Joining me is the cheerful and insightful Lexa. Hi Lexa, how's your day?
Hi, lovely. I'm great. Thanks for having me. Although honestly, when I first heard the topic learning spirit, I thought I need an extra cup of coffee to find that spirit.
I totally get that. I think half of our listeners are probably studying right now with coffee beside them.
Exactly. But hey, sometimes caffeine is part of the learning spirit, right? But beyond that, it's about the energy, the curiosity that keeps us wanting to know more, even when learning feels hard.
That's such a perfect way to say it. Learning spirit isn't about being loud or overly active. It's about that spark inside that keeps you going. Speaking of that sparks, Lexa, what does learning spirit actually mean to you personally?
Hmm, for me, it's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about having that desire to grow, to ask questions, and to not give up easily. I once read on Edutopia that curiosity is the real fuel for learning. If you keep your curiosity alive, motivation follows naturally.
That's so true. Some students are afraid to ask questions because they think it'll make them look less smart. But honestly, asking is the smartest thing you can do.
Exactly. I used to ask so many questions in school that my teacher would just sigh and say, Lexa, one question at a time, please. But it helped me learn faster.
I can imagine that. I was like that too. I once asked so many whys that my teacher told me I should be a detective instead of a student.
That's the true sign of curiosity, not just memorizing, but wanting to understand. Once curiosity fades, learning becomes routine, and that's when students start to lose motivation.
True! And that brings me to another point. Motivation doesn't grow in isolation. It often comes from the people around us, right?
Yes, totally. Teachers and parents play such a huge role in this. When a teacher is passionate about what they teach, students can feel it. That passion spreads, and parents they can help by focusing on the process of learning, not just the result. Instead of asking, "Did you get an A?" they could ask, "What did you learn today?"
That's a really good example. My dad used to say, grades fade, but curiosity stays. I didn't understand that before, but now I realize he was right.
Exactly. Encouragement always works better than pressure. A child who's praised for trying will keep trying even when they fail.
And it applies to teachers too. Sometimes a simple good job or I like your effort can boost a student's confidence for days.
Yes, because learning is not a race. It's a journey where every small step deserves appreciation.
I like that. Learning is a journey, not a race. Speaking of journeys, some students say their learning journey feels boring. How do we fix that?
That's the classic problem. I think the key is to make learning more connected to real life. Like when listen relate to everyday experience,
Yeah.
students suddenly start to care. For example, when learning science, do a small experiment. Or in English class, make a podcast like this.
That's actually a great idea. I remember my English teacher once replaced an essay task with a write your own song project, and it a work. Everyone enjoy it and learn more vocab.
Exactly. Fun learning does not mean less serious. It means more engaging. And I once watched TED a talk that said humor and enjoyment helps the brain retain information longer. So a bit a lot of louder actually makes learning stronger.
Wow, I love that. So teachers should actually plan a few jokes in their lessons.
Why not? Learning with louder is the best kind. Maybe every class should have a smile break.
That would be fun. And it's not just about fun. Collaboration also makes learning feel alive.
Absolutely. Working together in group projects, study groups, or even peer discussion helps students learn from each other. It's not about competing but collaborating.
I agree. And when creativity joins in, students take ownership of their learning, like letting them choose their topic or how to present it.
Exactly. Once read in Teach Like a Champion that giving students voice and choice makes them feel more responsible and motivated. When students feel trusted, they don't just do the tasks, they care about it.
That's true. Collaborations build empathy too. We start to understand that everyone learns differently, and that's okay.
Right. And that's also a valuable life skill. Because in the real world, learning from others never stops.
That's actually a perfect way to lead into our last point, lifelong learning.
Yes, because learning spirit is not something you leave behind after school, it's something that stays with you forever. If we keep curiosity alive, we'll keep learning anywhere, not just in classroom, but in life itself.
I love that. It reminds me of a quote from Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And that's exactly what learning spirit does. It changes not just you, but the world around you.
That's beautifully because real learning does not end with a diploma. It continues through every mistake, every success, every new experience.
Exactly. Education isn't about filling your head with facts. It's about lighting a fire inside. Once that fire starts, it never goes out.
Whoa, Horik, you should make that your podcast slogan. Like the fire of curiosity.
Maybe I will. But seriously, to everyone listening, teachers, parents, and students, let's keep that fire alive. Keep asking, keep exploring, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, because that's how we grow. One question, one effort, one small step at a time.
Perfectly said. Alright, everyone, that's all for today's episode of EduTalks. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. Bye!